Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new user account on your personal laptop without using Microsoft account. This method is very simple and it works on Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open Start menu, search for Settings. Now click on Accounts. Next, go to Other Users. Click on Add Account. When it asks you to sign in with a Microsoft account, click on I don't have this person sign in's information. In this next slide, choose add a user without a Microsoft account. Like you can create a username. I will be showing like I will create a dummy account. Put some password. For security purpose, you need to answer these questions. Click on next. That's it. Your new local account is ready without using any Microsoft account. If the video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thank you.